Hi there, how are you? So today I'm going to show you the FreeCodeCamp Quality Assurance course. I found out that it was slightly challenging to get started. So if you go to the freecodecamp.org and you create an account which is free and very easy, and then you proceed towards learning, you have this quality assurance certification over here. So if you go inside here, uh, and we can see that it is a JavaScript based course, and the very first course is about quality assurance and testing with Chai. Chai is a JavaScript based testing framework. I personally found out that it was slightly challenging because of the tools involved. So that is why I have created this quick video to show you how you can get started if you want to with this quality assurance and testing with Chai course on FreeCodeCamp. FreeCodeCamp is an excellent tool. It is an excellent resource, and as I showed you earlier, it has got multiple courses. If we quickly go here just before proceeding towards the main objective of this video, here you can see it has got multiple courses available, like responsive web design course, legacy web design, and the JavaScript algorithms and data structures course. It is very nice. I have personally tried it. It lets you solve real-time online programming problems, and it is very great. It's very good. And then if you go below, you have this Python course and many others, and I highly recommend it if you are new to learning programming. Okay, so back to the quality assurance certification and testing with Chai. So if we come here and we start with the very first problem, here it has got some instructions, and you can clone the their GitHub repo, or you can use the Replit starter project. I proceeded with the Replit starter project, and I believe it was a good decision. And if we right click here and click open in a new tab, this is actually the easier way to proceed with this what do you call it, course, online course. Okay, so this Replit is opened over here, you can see. So you will need to click this plus button, this blue button over here, and once you will do it, then a clone of this GitHub from FreeCodeCamp will be created for you. Okay, like for example, if I click on import from GitHub like this, the online IDE of Replit will be open. Now here is another confusing thing. Once this cloning is completed, you can see that there is a URL over here, but we cannot use this URL for verification or into FreeCodeCamp, because it says that post the solution link over here and then click I have completed this challenge. But you cannot use this URL, the URL which has got your username. You cannot use it. So instead, once you have this thing up and running, this is a node project. You can see there are files, there is a console, there is a shell and everything else. So if you once you have it over here, then if you go inside these tests and these unit tests, first of all we will be starting with this unit tests over here. Okay, so the first one is that we have to choose the is null and is not null method, and I go to the Replit over here, and here is the test number 1. So as you can see that these are suites. These are suites are used as test suites in Chai. So we have this assertion which is failing, and we need to select is null and is not null. It is very simple, which I will simply say is null over here, and this one is not null, so I will say is not null. That's it. Now after this, the easiest way to check if we have done it right. Okay, so first we had to start it. So these are like small hiccups in this QA project, which I believe would have been problematic for a lot of QA folks out there, my QA friends out there, my QA community out there. So that is why I'm making this video. So if you're a QA and you want to learn JavaScript based test automation, the Chai assertions library from FreeCodeCamp. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and do check out my YouTube channel and do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Test Automation TV. And I also have a course on Udemy. Do check it out as well. So here you see this very first test has passed. This is because we made these changes. Okay, and now we have another URL over here on the right. So this is the URL which we will need to copy, this URL, and then we'll go back to the free code camp and I will paste it over here. Okay, boilerplate dash mocha chai dot naim akram malik dot rapple.co, and I will click I have completed this challenge, and then the tests will be run. Sometimes there are timeouts as well, but now we are good to go, and from here you can like submit and go to next challenge and continue just like that. Okay, and for example here we say it is a null is not undefined, so it means that we will say is defined. We'll go here, and is undefined will go here. The last one will be is defined, and then we are going to come here on the black part of the screen. I will press Ctrl C. This is another important little detail. Ctrl C, and then I will say npm space start, and I will click enter. So now it is going to run all of the tests once again. So these steps are not written anywhere in the FreeCodeCamp. I think they should be present on the FreeCodeCamp website. But in any case, now you can see that the first two assertions are passing. So this is how we go with the FreeCodeCamp JavaScript quality assurance code, which is essentially about Chai. And here we go. So this is how you're going to proceed. And before I go, I need to show you my course about test automation. I am planning a course about Selenium test automation as well. It will take me a while, but I will definitely come up with it. So if you go to the testautomationtv.com for now, this is my course. This is my course about Appium WinApp driver UI automation testing Windows apps in C#.net. So please visit testautomationtv.com and do check out my course. And if there's a student who needs this course for free, you can ask me and I will give it away for free as well. But if you are a student, okay, so see you in another video. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.